Morning all, still in lockdown. Gonna go and feed the ducks some leftover bread. Gonna try and sneak over to a Sri Lankan takeaway. It's on the border of where I'm allowed to go because I'm allowed to travel 10 k's now. So I'm gonna try to do that and hopefully I won't get caught. Let's see. Haven't seen any cops on the road, so good sign so far. Hope it stays that way. I'm right on the border, right on the 10k border. So I'm allowed to travel 10 k's from my place of residence. So this is it. Let's see how we go. So I'm happy again. I've got a beef godumba it's called. It's stuffed with beef. And I also got a patty. It's a patty. It's like my name, Patty. So I'm going to sample that as I drive. Let you know what it tastes like. Okie dokie, let's go. So I haven't seen one cop on the road. That's a beef godumba. Yum. You know what? On a shit winter's morning, this is the perfect comfort food. Perfect. So it's a roti that's been rolled over. It's got beef. It's got potatoes, chili, spices, and it looks friggin' awesome. And I'll tell you what, it tastes awesome. So as soon as I get past this intersection here, I'm safe again. I'm within my 10k radius. Here we go. We're so lucky in Australia to have such varied cuisines. I tend to lean towards the Sri Lankan food a lot. That's probably because of my background. It's a little triangle. I'll tell you what guys, this has really hit the spot. I'm really enjoying this. It's yummy. Done. Now for the patty. It's called a Sri Lankan patty. It's like a pillow pastry. It's really soft and crispy. Yeah, crispy would be the right word for it. It's nice, but it's not as spicy as the godumba. But I'm still enjoying it. Look at that. Yum. So basically this is lunch taken care of. And I'm off to feed the ducks now. Got some leftover bread, old bread, so why waste it, you know, give it to the birds, let them enjoy it. Now, I've mastered the art of driving, talking and eating at the same time. And videoing. So, who said men can't multitask? We can, when there's food involved, or drink. I had a request from one of my subscribers to do more Sri Lankan stuff. Well, here you go, you got more. Well, I'm in the duck park and I'm here to feed the ducks. It's very busy in here. God, they're all around me. Holy crap. at that. They're going mad. You want to throw some? Bloody ducks were pretty hungry. Well, the seagulls were more hungry, I think. All done. Hope you enjoyed this. Till next time. Ciao.